This video presents how to create a new solar installation project using a web browser and your ScanTheSun account. Click the Modules drop-down menu. Then click My Projects tab. In the top right corner, click the plus sign button to start new solar installation project. Enter the basic information about your project. The project name, by which you will recognize it later, and the address used for the project description. In the top right corner, select the project status. Here you can change the status of existing projects or select new in case of a new project. Finally, select the project investor from your investors database. After all the information is given, click Add Project at the bottom right.